crazy women.
Yeah, like can you tell?
There's so much drama.
This one's still trying to wake up. Yeah, Emma.
He's right.
What you want to tell?
Right in his face.
Something else.
He is hibernating.
So, how often do they eat? We still haven't seen one transition from the beach to the water.